Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the different types of landforms. Are you ready to know the different kinds of landforms? Okay, let's start. First, mountain, or in Tagalog, bundok. A mountain is a landform that rises above its surrounding area. It is higher than the hills. Example of this is the Mount Agad-Agad of Iligan City. Hill, or burol. A hill is a landform that rises above the surrounding area. It is smaller than mountains. Example of this is the Chocolate Hills of Bohol. Mountain range, or in Tagalog, bulubundukin. A mountain range or hill range is a series of mountains or hills arranged in a line and connected by high ground. Example of this landform is the Cordillera Central or Cordillera Range in the north-central part of the island of Luzon. Volcano, or in Tagalog, bulkan. A volcano is a mountain that has lava coming out from the magma chamber under the ground. Example of this landform is Mount Mayon of Albay. Plain, or in Tagalog, kapatagan. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. It is one of the major landforms on Earth. Example of plain is the Central Plain of Luzon. Valley, or in Tagalog, lambak. A valley is a low area between hills or mountains with a river or stream. Example of this landform is the Cagayan Valley, which is the biggest valley in the Philippines. And last, beach, or in Tagalog, baybayin. A beach is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. Example of this landform is the Boracay Beach of the Philippines. And these are some of the landforms that the Earth have. And before we end this video, please answer this assessment to determine if you understood the lesson.